We buy milk tea and water chestnut. Tara, punta tayo sa aming binili. Nice, right? What I buy? What? How about you? Ah, I don't have here. This one, luncheon meat. But fried rice with luncheon meat. You know? Chicken chop. Alright. So nice.
2070.
Pag di naman sumarap to, oh. Pangalan pa lang, King of Fried Rice. Alright, food trip with Pretty Yvonne.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm very ready.
Yeah. Alright. Kain na kayo. Hello mga inanak. Pray muna. Thank you. Makita? Buto pas, cannot see. You first. Eat. Wow, so nice. Then mine lah, my face. Cannot put together. Very short the screen.
Okay.
Kaya, kaya na.
I hear you.
Once in a while, I put you in the mic. See how big? Ah. Take, can I have luncheon meat a bit? Put. Bait ni Ninong, no? Bigay isang gayat eh. Logi na naman ako sa kanya. Nilibre ko pa yung drinks. Chili!
Wow.
First bite. Nice, nice. Ano? Sarap to. Fried rice. Ibon. Let me see the bite, the bite. Oh, nice, right? Wala. Very nice. Para sa inyo mga inanak. Ganun ka. Sarap ng garlic eh. Chili. Thank you. Thank you. Sarap kumain. Juicy chicken. Sarap. You tell them, sarap.
Huh? Sarap.
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 Sarap. Okay na mga inanak. Babay na. Busin lang namin ito. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Kain lang kami ayos. Yan na kayo. Bahala na kayo mga inanak. Paano? Love you mo.